Welcome to Silvernox. We are located here in Pune in one of the most prime IT hub. We are now going to take you for a tour to show you exactly how we provide security, power, cooling infrastructure for our clients in our facility. All the processes we follow here are aligned with the global standard, and that is the reason we proudly display our ISO certificate at the main entrance of this building. But that's not where we enter the data center. Let me take you outside of our facility and bring you in while showcasing how security is taken care by Silvernox. There are several layers of security checkpoint to be passed through for reaching our DC hall. Behind me you can see our 15 feet high exterior boundary wall with barbed wire above it. A motorized gate for entry of pre-approved authorized vehicles, and for pedestrian entry there is a secure wicket gate. We take security very seriously. For anyone entering the premises, documented multi-point security check is mandatory even for the people working from this facility. Let's move to the reception area. Once inside, mandatory baggage scanning is done to ensure no unauthorized material is passing through this lobby. To enter the data hall, we follow the strict hygiene and access protocol. We swap street footwear with the facility footwear. Then we pass through this biometric man trap. It requires dual authentication, an access card plus fingerprint scan. Without both, the doors simply won't open. So tailgating is not even an option. I am standing inside the DC hall. This is heart of our digital infrastructure and your data lives here. Behind me are 42 U racks, and this is where we design for performance, reliability and zero compromise. Before we show you the rest of the facility, we always start from here because everything that matters begins inside this data hall. What you are looking at is a high density environment, purpose built for performance at scale. Cooling here follows a layered strategy, and we use precision air conditioning units here. And additionally, in-row cooling units for the high density racks. And raised floor for air distribution to maintain consistent temperature across every aisle. And you can also notice how our cables are organized. Fiber and network connectivity run overhead through dedicated yellow fiber ducts and basket trays, while all power cabling is routed below the raised floor. That physical separation eliminates interference and keeps operation clean, predictable and easy to manage. And for safety, the entire hall is protected by gas-based fire suppression system designed to extinguish fire instantly without damaging equipment or disrupting live services. At Silvernox, redundancy is not optional, it's foundational. Every rack in the data hall is built on a true 2N power architecture. Each cabinet has dual power strip fed by completely independent A and B power paths. And for that purpose, here are the two power supply panel rooms A and B. That means even during maintenance or an unexpected component failure, your systems stay online. Power flows through fully isolated chains from the utility sources, through UPS systems and directly to each rack. So a failure on one path never impacts the other. This level of reliability starts long before power reaches the data hall. Silvernox draws high voltage power from two independent city substations. Each source follows a separate path through metering systems, transformers and utility panels, creating true electrical diversity from the grid onwards. And if there is ever a complete grid outage, operations continue without interruption. There are 4 1500 kVA generators on permanent standby. These are governed by fully automated synchronization system. Within 14 seconds, generator power assumes the facility load. During that brief transition, enterprise-grade UPS system bridge the gap instantly, delivering clean, stable power with zero fluctuation on IT equipment. Each UPS bank provides 15 to 20 minutes of full load battery backup, far more than what is required for generator startup. For added resilience, UPS system and battery banks are housed in physically isolated electrical and battery rooms, ensuring an incident in one zone can never impact the other. In our BMS room, power, cooling, environmental conditions, and security systems are tracked in real time. This allows our team to identify and address issues before they ever impact customer operations. But Silvernox is not built just for infrastructure, it's built for people too. We provide dedicated clients' workspace, conference rooms, and operational areas so customers can work directly from within the facility. Whether it is for deployment, audits, or ongoing operations. And procedures align with globally recognized ISO standards, reinforcing our commitment to security, reliability, and audit-ready operations. This is Silvernox, where infrastructure is built for trust, performance, and uninterrupted business continuity. We would be happy to welcome you for a personal tour.